Ever had that sinking feeling when applying for a loan or a credit card only to be denied? You check your credit report, expecting the worst, but everything seems fine. Then, a friend mentions they saw something different on theirs. Turns out, there are 3 major credit bureaus in the U.S., each with your own unique report. Now you're wondering, are these reports the same? Is Experian just Transunion with a different name? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of credit reporting. Let's face it, credit scores can feel like a mystery. These 3-digit numbers hold immense power over our financial lives, impacting everything from loan approvals to insurance rates. But what goes into these scores? The answer lies with the credit bureaus, Experian, Transunion, and Equifax. These companies collect information about your borrowing habits, payment history, and even public records to create your credit report, a detailed document lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. So, here's the big question, are Experian and Transunion the same? The short answer is a resounding no. While they both function as credit bureaus, they operate independently. Each bureau collects data from different lenders and creditors, meaning your report with Experian might contain information not found on your Transunion report, and vice versa. This explains why your friend might have seen something different on theirs. They simply have slightly different data points on each report. Think of it like this. Imagine you're writing a biography. Experian might interview your college friends, while Transunion talks to your family. Both paint a picture of you, but the details might differ based on who they talk to. This is why it's crucial to check your reports with all 3 bureaus. Inconsistencies or errors can significantly impact your score, potentially hindering your financial goals. Now, let's delve deeper into what sets these 2 giants apart. Experian is known for its robust identity theft protection services and offers a user-friendly platform for monitoring your credit report. They also cater to businesses, providing credit reports for potential partners and clients. Transunion, on the other hand, prides itself on its credit score accuracy and offers a wider range of credit monitoring options. They also specialize in fraud solutions for businesses. Ultimately, the better bureau depends on your specific needs. If you're concerned about identity theft, Experian might be a good fit. But if you need a more comprehensive credit monitoring solution with a focus on score accuracy, Transunion could be the way to go. Here's the key takeaway: don't treat these reports like isolated islands. You can, and should, access your free credit report from each bureau annually. Luckily, the government provides a central website, annualcreditreport.com, where you can request your reports from all 3 bureaus with a single click. Remember, maintaining a healthy credit score is an ongoing process. By understanding the differences between Experian and Transunion, and by regularly monitoring your reports, you can take control of your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.